Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will share quick unboxing and hands-on review of Gionee S6s smartphone. In the box, you get the phone, along with a charging adapter, USB cable, earphones, a silicone case, SIM ejector tool, screen guard, cleaning cloth, and some documentation. Let's talk about the design first. It comes with full metal body design which looks premium. Edges are smooth and appearance of the phone is very pleasing. On the front there is a 5.5-inch Full HD display. Above the display there is earpiece along with LED notification, front facing camera, sensors and LED flash. Below the display there are 3 navigation buttons which are not backlit. The hybrid SIM card slot is placed on the left edge. Volume rockers are on the right along with power button which has a groove texture on it. Top edge is clean and on the bottom edge you get the charging port, 3.5mm audio jack and mic. On the rear there is primary camera, LED flash, fingerprint sensor, Gionee branding and speakers. The rear of the phone is curved near the edges for good grip. Overall build quality of this phone is very sturdy and premium. Next is display. It features a large 5.5-inch Full HD display with 1080p resolution and 2.5D curved glass. The screen is sharp and bright. It shows accurate colors and can be easily viewed in sunlight. The viewing angles are also good and this phone is suitable for big display lovers. Now let's talk about the camera. The biggest highlight of this phone is its selfie or front-facing camera. It sports an 8-megapixel front camera which is assisted by dual front flash. One is LED and other is screen flash. This dual flash helps users capture stunning selfies. The screen flash lights up the screen and offers great images even in low lighting conditions. There are a lot of modes and filters which you can apply. Users can also create GIFs. We took some selfies on this phone and we are really impressed with every image taken with the front camera. There is also a 13-megapixel rear camera on board which does a decent job in capturing images. The detailing and clarity of images taken with both front and rear cameras is very impressive. Overall image quality of this phone is excellent. Under the hood, this phone packs a 1.3 GHz octa-core processor paired with 3 GB of RAM. It houses 32 GB of internal memory which can be expanded up to 128 GB using microSD card. On testing it on Antutu benchmarks, we got score of around 38,000 points. We played a few games on this phone and our gaming experience was really smooth. It handles light to moderate gaming and day-to-day multitasking with ease. On software front, it runs Android 6.0 Marshmallow operating system wrapped under Amigo 3.2. The interface is smooth and intuitive. It comes pre-installed with some amount of bloatware. There is no app drawer, instead there are multiple home screens. Swiping on the screen from top to bottom will bring down the notification panel, while swiping from the bottom will show control center. There is a child mode that saves apps on this phone from getting disturbed when children are playing with this phone. It also supports USB OTG. There is a chameleon feature in which phone's rear camera works as a color dropper tool, picks colors from surroundings and changes display's background color. Powering the phone is a 3150 mAh battery which easily lasts for a day on moderate usage. Connectivity options include 4G with voice over LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0 and GPS. Fingerprint sensor, which is located on the rear, is quick and accurate in unlocking the phone. The speakers are loud and clear. The sound, however, gets muffled up when the phone is placed on a flat surface. This phone carries a price tag of Rs 17,999 or 18,000. The Gionee S6s is for all the selfie enthusiasts who love to get captured. Besides offering a great front camera, it also offers all-metal design, rich display, long-lasting battery, and smooth performance. If you're looking for a selfie smartphone and don't want to compromise in other departments, then you should go for this phone. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.